get busy, yeah, cruise with me.
Jawohl, Hintertux Opening is on. Probieren wir mal Small Line Test Run. Juhu! It is the 2nd of October and this is the official Hot Zone Park opening on Hintertux Glacier. The first session of the weekend is up here with the alarm clock session, and we've got some spot prizes to give away in the form of actual burgers. So anyone who's hungry for shred or actually physically just hungry for food, this is the session for them. It is gonna be sick.
Get down to the heart. Need all of you, cruise with me.
So as if the shred sessions, the premieres and the parties weren't enough for you, there's even more to explore up here on the mountain with the free test demo centre with all of the major brands up here letting you borrow their next year's boards for free.